And we are back with the pre-market report. This is the pre-market PulseWave report for trading on Sunday, November the 27th, 2022. Hopefully everyone is having a wonderful holiday weekend. And let's make this really quick so you can get back to chilling. All right, so looking here at Link, this is Chain Link, and you can see the market finally hit the bottom of the Kumo cloud for initial profit target. So, excuse me, if you're long this market, trade so accordingly, and you want to start popping your way through this one. There is a possibility that it could get a push above 7.5, but that's what you need. You need for it to clear and close above 7.5 before even thinking about the possibility of adding to positions. But this is where you are. You're at the first line of resistance, and the market is going to have to push through it. It's going to take a lot to make that happen. Next up, looking at the Dow Jones. This is ticker DIA. And you can see here during the holiday period, the market did rally from this rally alert here. The market did proceed to have 2 more up days, making or extending, I should say, rather, the weekly high. So this one is still looking quite bullish up here, getting a little lofty. So if you look at this over here, this close was 338.75, and this one here is 343.52. So you have a higher close than that last rally high, and now the market just needs to confirm it. We need like 2 or 3 days of confirmation trading above this highest close. If that happens, then you can actually say that the bottom right now is in for the Dow, and that the market is ready to keep rip-roaring higher. But there's a problem. All right, there's a problem. Take a look at your S&P 500. It's the ticker SPY. We now have a crash alert for trading on Monday. This is nowhere as bullish as its Dow counterpart, and not so far away from the top of the Kumo cloud at 390 either. So according to the S&P, the rally could possibly be over if we get confirmation on Monday that this crash alert is valid. And we got 3 to 5 days to prove this, because sometimes the alerts can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. Just remember, you are still in a bear market, so any rally you see is classified as a bear market rally. And to add further fuel to the fire, you can see where the indices have just decoupled from one another. Here's the NASDAQ 100. It's the QQQ. And we got a sell signal for this one for Monday. It's inside the Kumo cloud and in jeopardy of falling out of the Kumo cloud to the south side. So it's neutralized with a bearish bias and a crash alert on the NASDAQ 100. Again, indices totally moving counter to one another, which is not something that the market is supposed to do. Here is the Russell. The ticker is IWM. And you can see here it's outside the Kumo cloud, but it's doing so under bearish pressure. All right, it's barely out of the cloud, okay? And the bears are in control of this one. This market would need to get above and close above 190 in order to put in a short-term bottom or support before you can even thinking about adding or extending its rally. Again, total different mixed signals when it comes to the stock indices for Monday's trading. But now let's take a look at the US dollar. Now, I warned you guys about the US dollar. I've been talking about it. You've had all these people talk about how bullish it is going to be, and I've been warning ever since we got this crash alert back here, remember? Remember September the 28th? Remember that? This red bar, I said the top is in once we get confirmation. And what do? We got confirmation the following day. And look, the bears have been taking over ever since. All right. You have crash alert, crash alert, crash alert, crash alert, crash alert, crash alert, and crash alert. And here we are. So this market is in free fall and looks like it's getting ready to put in a new leg lower. So if you have been shorting it, excuse me, you're going to want to start popping your way through the trade to lock in some profits. Now let's take a look at how this is affecting the euro, because the euro and the dollar move inversely of each other. So here's the euro USD, and you can see that it's in rally mode, and you have a rally alert that this market is under for Sunday into Monday's trading on the euro currency. Now, if you want to trade the euro currency without actually trading forex, here's ticker FXE. FXE. This is the euro ETF, and you can see it has a green light. It has a rally alert for Monday's trading on FXE. Next up is gold by way of ticker GLD. And you can see that this one is in rally mode as well, had some pullback. So this positive bot check that came back positive was correct. The market did fall. It did fall when we got that. And then we got a green positive bot check. And yes, the market did rally thereafter. These bot checks are something that you can pretty much set your watch to. If it says that the market's going to do something, it's going to do it. Now, to what extent it does it, we have no idea, but we just know that these are tells right here. These diamonds, these green and red diamonds tell when there's something going on in the market. And the system picked it up and sensed it and started preparing you for it. All right, next up we got, let's see here, oil. Ticker is OIH. And as you can see here, oil had this big bearish pointer spike down. So it was a spike low. Then we had a crash alert. And now the market is getting ready to come down and take out this pointer and then test the top of the Kumo cloud between 250 and 240 on your OIH for crude oil. So still under the bearish thumb. Looking at silver, this is SLV. You got a crash alert for Monday's trading. Kumo cloud around the $18 a share is the initial downside target for SLV. What about bonds? Man, bonds have just been all over the place. So we have a crash alert for Monday on your TLT. And the market's starting to move into a more neutral stance. So we have bearish to neutral on this one. So here was the second. Here's the two main rally alerts. And now we're saying that the run is over. This bear market run is over. And the market's getting ready to come back down and put in a new leg lower. We'll get a confirmation of that on Monday. We'll see how this market moves. But remember, these alerts can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. All right, next up we got, sticking with the US dollar, this is ticker UUP. All right, you can see that it's been moving lockstep with the actual dollar index. And we have a crash alert for UUP for trading on Monday. All right, looking at Litecoin. Litecoin has a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as well. And it looks like the market's going to come back down and test between 60 to 65 range. That's the initial downside target for Litecoin. We talked about oil. Let's take a look at ticker XLE. And you can see it's in the same boat as OIH. Same boat. All right. And it's under the auspices of a crash alert. This is a bearish pointer. So I think the new leg lower is coming. And $80 is the top of the Kumo cloud. And I think that's exactly where the market is headed on the initial downward thrust. All right. Let's see. Let's take a look at XRP Ripple. And you will notice here that the market has moved higher from the rally alerts. And you're right here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So in order to keep this, keep hope alive, this market needs to continue this rally and get back above the Kumo cloud. But right now, it is in bull mode. You're nearing a resistance overhead. All right, taking a look now at Bitcoin by way of the Bitcoin futures. You can see the market is still flatlined. Price action has gone absolutely nowhere. Likewise with Ethereum, price action is still going nowhere. All right. And this is a rare setup, back to back key rally alerts, and then the market just falls asleep. So nothing going on there, folks. Nothing at all. It's holiday market, so that has a lot to do with it as well. Other than that, the news has been out, stuff like that. So it is what it is. All right, we'll do this last one. This is PLTR. PLTR. And it says Palantir, I think is how you say it. Technologies. All right, so you had a rally alert coming into the last trading session of the week, and the market kind of just stood there and didn't do anything. So that's just day one. Monday will be day two. We can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. Bottom of the Kumo cloud at $8 is the initial target, and then followed by the top of the Kumo cloud at 850. So your target zone is from 8 to 850 on an upside move in Palantir. All right, folks, you know what it is, man. Enjoy the rest of your holiday weekend. And remember, smash the like button. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.